Hi everybody, it's Dr. Winnie King, and I want to talk with you about what's going on in the world of Covid-19 or the coronavirus. I know that a lot of you are still very frightened and very nervous about the future, what this is going to hold. And just recently it sounds like there have been some people, some unscrupulous people, who have been creating fake test kits measuring the coronavirus antibodies. And this is a test that gives you some really great information when the test is accurate. It allows you to know if you've been exposed to the virus, if you potentially in the incubation period where there's no detection of any antibodies, or if in fact you have antibodies where there's a possibility that you could be immune. Now in my office we do a specific rapid test. The results come back in about 15 minutes, and we do this using a drop of blood. One of my patients called me just yesterday very concerned because he saw on the news where there were people out there that were performing fake tests, and so of course the results were fake. We purchase directly from the manufacturer, and also the FDA is very specific about which tests are approved or cleared by them to be used to test for the antibodies. And I have a sheet here that's directly off of the website from the FDA, and it lists 5 different companies that have FDA clearance in order to actually do this test. And mine, as you can see down here, is circled in green. This is the actual company that my test kits are coming from. And you can see on the back of the package for the test the actual name that matches up with the name of the company on the list from the FDA. This is really important, and I can certainly understand concern because you don't want to spend your time and your money on a test that's fake. And unfortunately, anytime there's a tragedy such as this pandemic, there are going to be unscrupulous people that will go out and make fake test kits to try to capitalize on it financially at the risk of giving people the wrong results. If you hear that somebody will do a test for you for $10 or $15, more than likely that is a fake test because the test costs considerably more than that. Now, I want to also emphasize to you the importance of following all the guidelines that the CDC has been recommending for us, because it appears that it really is working. Social distancing is really important, and that's really more physical distancing. It's not that you can't connect with people. You can certainly do that, and I encourage you to do that online by FaceTiming them, calling them, emailing, texting. Just stay connected to other people. Hand washing is also extremely important because we know that, especially when you're washing your hands with soap, that you literally disrupt the outer covering of the virus, and you can help protect yourself from becoming infected that way. And then recently it sounds like they're feeling strongly about wearing some type of protective covering over your face, over your nose and your mouth, whether it's an actual face mask or if it's a cloth mask that you can actually make at home. So it appears that there may be some benefit there, primarily in keeping you from touching your face and touching your nose and your mouth, where you could potentially spread this virus if it got on your hands into your own body. So those are all important. They seem to be working. Here in Houston, we really are just starting to kind of see the numbers tick up. I don't think that we're at our apex yet, but nobody really knows. The most important thing is to just follow the guidelines, to stay calm, and to not freak out, because that doesn't help. And as long as you're taking good care of yourself, getting adequate rest, trying to reduce your stress, because we do know that stress has a negative effect on your immune system, and we want your immune system to be nice and strong so that it can fight off any infection. Taking supplements such as vitamin D and vitamin C are very helpful. And bioidentical hormone replacement, which is something that I do here in my office, is also a great way to help boost your immune system. But most important is don't lose faith, because we are going to get through this as a nation, as a world, and we'll be on the other side of it. We'll know so much more than we knew before, and we'll be able to protect ourselves in the future. I do want to extend my condolences, though, to anyone who has been personally affected by this viral pandemic, whether it's that you've become infected or that you have a family or friend who has, and God forbid that you've lost someone. My heart is with you. I know it's not easy, but hang in there and we will get past this. If you have any questions about any of the things that I talked about, you can always call my office. The number is 936-224-7990. Be safe.